Hello everyone. So yesterday class we are discussed about the statically determinate structure for especially for beams. Same like this way, statically determinate structure for trusses and frames are to be discussed in this lecture. So for this, first we need to know externally indeterminate structure. So when a structure is called externally indeterminate structure, when the total number of external reactions in a structure is a greater than the number of equations available. That means reactions is more available equilibrium equation. That is reactions is for example here fixed support we have three reactions, and one roller support we have one another reaction. So totally we have four reactions. Equilibrium equations is three, because for beams we have three equilibrium equations. So that is summation of vertical force is equal to zero, summation of horizontal force is equal to zero, summation of moments is equal to zero. So therefore 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. This is same as for degree of freedom or degree of indeterminacy, like this way, but this is only for external conditions. For example, I will show you next pictures. So next for this for the same type, for the two engine arches, for example, this is two engine arches, here is fixed support and here is also fixed support. So there are three reactions here, three reactions here, totally six reactions here, plus minus equilibrium equations is 3. So 6 minus 3 equal, therefore 3. So therefore externally indeterminate structure is 3. Okay, so this is about external indeterminate structure. That when we call it externally indeterminate structure, when the reactions is more compared to available equilibrium equations, then the type of structure is known as externally indeterminate structure. Next, internally indeterminate structure. Okay, suppose some structures may be externally determinate structure, but the internally the structure may be not determinate because of its connections, or maybe it depends upon the joints connection. Okay, for example, if you see observe this one type of frame mattress. For example, here some hinges immovable hinge support. Because of immovable hinge support we have two reactions. For roller support we have one reaction. So therefore 2 plus 1 3. So reactions, total number of unknown reactions is 3, and available equilibrium equations is 3. So therefore this structure is externally determined. So therefore this is not indeterminate, because of determinate is equal to 0. Reactions minus equilibrium equations, reactions minus equilibrium equations, 3 minus 3 is therefore 0. So therefore this is externally determinate structure. But if we observe at joint A, if we observe at joint A, we have three members. Okay, at joint A, three members. If you observe for any trusses, we have to we can analyze the joint. At a joint we have only two unknowns only, because we have only two equations, that is summation of vertical forces equal to 0, summation of horizontal forces equal to 0. Only two available equilibrium equations for trusses. But here the at the joint we have three unknown members. So therefore this structure and this at the joint A, this is internally indeterminate structure. Okay, so this is the information which is available in this paragraph. Okay, so that is the internally indeterminate structure. Okay, so next one, for externally indeterminate structure. So and internally indeterminate structure. Next for frames. So already you know that frames having. So in first unit we have discussed about the analysis of perfect frames. In perfect frames, what is called as m plus r is equal to 2j. So when m plus r is equal to 2j, then it is a perfect frame. For trusses, same like this way. So for degree of indeterminacy, so degree of internal indeterminacy is m plus r minus 2j. Or so for example, consider only for this important formula, that is here the trusses having. So degree of indeterminacy is equal to m plus r minus 2j. So where m is number of members, r is reactions. Okay, where m is number of members, r is reactions and externally reactions. That is the degree of indeterminacy depend upon the external indeterminacy and internal indeterminacy. External indeterminacy is reactions, where external indeterminacy is reactions and internal indeterminacy is members. Okay, so therefore for trusses we have the degree of indeterminacy is m plus r minus 2j, where why we here 2, because of trusses having only two equilibrium equations, that is summation of vertical forces equal to 0, summation of horizontal forces is equal to 0. So that's why we have only for each joint, at the each joint we have two equations. So these three m and r, these all are unknowns. So we need you know very well that, so how many unknowns is present, so we need that much of equilibrium equation. So with this we can find out the structure or a frame, either it is determinate or indeterminate. So for trusses we have only the equation m plus r minus 2j, because 2 means we have two equations only. So and each joint we have two equations, so therefore how many joints are available, so then into 2 of available equations is present at the structure. So m means number of members, r is reactions. Okay, this is most important formula for trusses. Okay, first, okay, if, in frames, in frames, that is, if any hinge is present in the frames, so in the hinge we have additional n minus 1 equations are present in the frames, not reactions, equations. For frames, we if in a frame, if any hinge present, so in at the hinge we have additional n minus 1 equations are present in the frame. For frames we have the formula 3m plus r minus 3j, where 3 means it is having summation of vertical forces 0, summation of horizontal 0, and also summation of moments is equal to 0 for frames, because frames have not a hinge connection, so frames are a rigid connections. So therefore the here for frames having movement also present, but for trusses, due to hinge connection, so the summation of moments is not equal to 0 at the joint. So therefore we have only two equations, whereas for frames 3m plus r minus 3j. Okay, so for first of all we are discuss in this topic only for the trusses only. So this is truss, one type of truss. These are all are different type of trusses. First we have to find the this is a determinate or indeterminate structure. So for this type of trusses we have the equation, so that is d is equal to m plus r minus 2j, where m means number of members, r means number of reactions, r is externally reactions, and m is internally members. So this totally constituted either a structure is statically determinate and indeterminate structure we have to find. So first, where m means number of members, so how many members is present in this truss? So first we have to find out the each and one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So therefore we have 7 members reactions. It here is one immovable hinge support. For any immovable hinge support we have two reactions. Okay, so this which are already discussed in the previous class. Next, roller support. Roller support we have only one vertical reaction, so therefore 2 plus 1, so totally we have 3 reactions. So 7 plus 3, 10. So 10 unknowns are present in this truss, so therefore we have totally 10 unknowns present in this structure. So how many unknowns is present in the structure, we have to have same available equations, then only we can determine the structure. So for this we have to find the how many joints present in the structure. So identify the number of joints. Here is one joint. Okay, so I will show you. So one second joint, third joint, and fourth joint, and fifth joint. So totally we have 5 joints. So 2 into 5, 10. So 10 minus 10, therefore this is a determinate structure. Likewise, if you consider this truss, so same for the trusses, we have the formula d is equal to degree of indeterminacy is formula, that is m plus r minus 2j. So where m is number of members, where how many numbers is present, so here not connection, so these are individually separated the connection, so that why this is two only, these are the only two members. So these are only two members, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore how many members, that is 6 members. And the reactions same here, one immovable hinge support, one roller support, total we have 3 reactions. So 6 plus 3, 9 reactions, and 2j. So how 2j means how many joints. So how here if you consider the truss, we have one joint, second joint, third joint, and fourth joint. So total we have 4 joints. So 9 minus 8, 1. So therefore this is a indeterminate structure, because why it called as indeterminate structure, if you consider if you take a joint A or joint B, for example joint A, so we have three unknowns, three unknown members present in this joint. Again here also three unknown members present in the structure truss, but we have only two equations. So with the two equations we can find only two members. So other three, third member we cannot find out. So that's why this type of truss is known as indeterminate structure. Okay, so I will show one more one or one two more examples. So if we okay, if you okay, one second. Okay, so consider this type of trust. If you consider this type of trust, so first we have to find the employee, how many members are present in this trust, and how many reactions present in the trust, and how many number of joints present in the structure. So first find out the M, where M means number of members. So first count the number of members. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have totally 19 members. Okay, so totally we have 19 members. Reactions, how many number of reactions? That is two immovable injured at one roller support. So totally we have three reactions. How many number of joints present in the structure? So once we have to consider the number of joints. For example, this is one joint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total we have 11 joints. So therefore 19 plus 3 22. So 2 11s are 22. So 22 minus 22. Therefore this type of structure is, it is a determinate structure. For example, a cantilever type of truss is present. So we have to find this the degree of determination of this structure also. Same where M means number of members. If you consider the how many members present in the structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So totally we have 15 members. Okay. So 15 members, it is not very clearly visible to you. So therefore here the number of members is 15. Next, reactions. So here immovable injured support, here also immovable injured support. So totally we have two reactions is present here at this immovable injured support, and two reactions is present at this immovable injured support. So totally we have four reactions. So therefore four reactions. So reactions is four. So next one, joints. How many number of joints present in the structure we have to find. So the we have to consider, so how many joints present in the structure is, so one joint, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally we have 9 joints. So 2 9 are 18. So 15 plus 4 19. 19 minus 18. So that is therefore degree of indeterminacy is 1. Therefore this is a indeterminate structure. Like this way, so we have all different type of examples are which are present in this material. You can go through this material. You can practice this all type of trusses. Next we can go for frames. Okay, thank you.